Hey, what's up guys? So today I think I'm gonna be working on that Banshee. I was having some troubles there last week. It was starting to overheat and I took it out for one last ride and then it stalled out. So not really sure what's wrong with it. It's not burning up coolant. So I don't think that it's the head gasket. Could be, we'll see. I'm gonna try a few other things first. Like, I'd say it could be misfiring and stuff because this boot here, this thing just pops right off. So I got a new boot to put on it. So I'm gonna try that out. And then when I was checking the carbs, they were way out of sync. So I don't know what happened. They must just vibrated out or something like that. But so I'm gonna get those back in sync. I might take the other carb off as that one is missing. Now these do have the Tours Delete, but as you can see here, this guy doesn't have an idle screw. It's not drilled out, it's not tapped or anything. So really you can only adjust the idle on one side, which isn't exactly ideal. So yeah, we'll start with the boot and go from there, I guess. Give this thing a try here and just see, sort of synced up the new idle screw in there. See if I get this thing to start. Choke on. Won't stay on or what? Won't stay on. Alright. She runs again, so I think we're gonna have to take it for a ride just to see whether or not, tighten that up, tighten the idle screw up, because I lost one before, so I don't want to do that again. I lost the idle screw out of this one, so I swapped it over, so I got this one running fine, and this one wasn't, just stopped running. So I got the temperature gauge on here now though. So I think I'll put the airbox and stuff on, and then maybe I'll try out my new chest mount and see if we can get this thing to overheat again. It could just be that it was a spark plug issue and it was misfiring and running weird on one side. And it was out of sync too somehow, so not sure what happened there, but anyways, she's running! Alright, run, choke. Now, I haven't ridden this thing in a couple weeks now. Looks like I got a small exhaust leak in here. Hopefully it's nothing serious. Let's take it for a short trip and see what happens, I guess. She feels alright. Sounds pretty good too. Monitoring my temperature here. Thing feels good. Temperature seems good. Everything seems to be running pretty good. I think we may have found the issue. I think we'll give her a little saucer here. Screaming like a banshee there. Go check out the pit. Woo! Fuck! Found a puddle. My lens is cleaner on. Try that. Woo! Oh, fuck. Yeah, she's working good. Might try a couple donuts here. Yeah, geez, we're still running pretty cold actually. Let's see. Looks like someone was in here playing around. We're about to be. Gear down here. Try first gear. Woo! A little jumpy. Oh no, I hit these fucking puddles again. It's getting a little warmer there now. I think that's probably because I was doing a couple donuts there. Little wheeling. Woo! I think we got her back. Not bad at all. Take her home and take a look at her. Get in the yard, come on. Dang it. I'll race ya, come on. Stop here for some mail. Oh, the government's important. Alright, come on, Dan. Alright, we'll let you out too, buddy. Watch out! Watch out! I gotta give this thing a bath now. Oh, that's still not neutral. Where is it at? There it is. Hey, we got her a bit muddy. So I am interested to see how this thing worked out, especially the microphone. It's the biggest worry for me, that the Banshees are so friggin' loud that you won't be able to hear my voice over anything, right? So there she is, working like a top again. And all that I can figure it was the plug boot. Switch that out, and she seems to be running fine. She's not overheating, because before, when I was running it, it actually had coolant coming out of the overflow and dropping down on the pipes. That's how I knew something was up. And then it just decided to stop running. So that's it for now.